Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you have liked the previous video which was on easy zentangle pattern tutorials, and as I've promised, today we'll be creating a painting using those zentangle pattern. In case you have missed the previous video, I'm mentioning the link over here. You can click on it and check it out. So yeah, let's get started. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked it and found this painting easy. Do try it out and send me a picture of your painting in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends so that they also can learn easy painting. I'll come back next week with another super exciting tutorial video. Till then, keep doodling, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my video a thumbs up.